हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो। ये मेरा भाई है, अभी नहा के नहीं रखा हुआ है। मैं मिलाती हूँ आपको अपने दूसरे भाई से। लाइक करिए वीडियो को। आ चुकी है, ये देखिए, ये मेरे चच्चू बैठे हुए हैं। अभी मैं चाची से मिलाती हूँ आपको। नहीं, ये मेरी चाची खाना बना रही है। चाची हेलो बोलो। हेलो। ये रहा चीकू। चीकू, ये रहा चीकू। चीकू हेलो बोलो। हेलो 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 बोलो। हेलो अपने भाइयों से मिलवाया। मैं जा रही हूँ तैयार होके। अच्छा, मैं यहाँ पंचायत भवन पे हूँ और मैं एक बुक रीड कर रही हूँ। ये देखिए, मैनिफेस्टेशन। अभी मैंने इसको ख़त्म नहीं किया क्योंकि मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला था, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट कंप्लीटेड। सो मैं इसको रीड कर रही हूँ। इसमें बहुत सी चीज़ बताई गई है। मैनिफेस्टेशन कैसे आप चीज़ों को मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हो, कुछ भी पा सकते हो। सो आई मैनिफेस्ट मैनी थिंग्स एंड देखते हैं पूरा होता है नहीं होता है। आई थिंक सो पूरा हो जाएगा क्योंकि मैं बहुत अच्छी मैनिफेस्टर हूँ। मैं अलाइंड हूँ विथ यूनिवर्स। ऐसा मुझे फील होता है कि मैं अलाइन हूँ अपने यूनिवर्स के साथ। यूनिवर्स मुझे सपोर्ट करता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। सो देखते हैं, मैं मैनिफेस्ट कर रही हूँ कुछ चीज़ें, दैट्स व्हाई शायद मैनिफेस्ट हो जाए। तो मैं रीड करने जा रही हूँ, कुछ पैरा बुक रीड कर रही हूँ। तो चूज़ योर मीडियम। अ लार्ज ऑफ सीट और कार्ड ऑफ पेपर, चूज वेदर you prefer to write down your goal using different color of pen, either you bullet point and or the free following description, or whether you want to be use image or draw them yourself, or cut out picture or word and imagine a newspaper that reflect a thing you want to draw into your life. Choose whatever feels best for you. Choose whatever feels best for you. Just remember, you have with fun with it. Choose your timeline. At the top of page, write the exact date of which you want to manifest what's you a vision board. मतलब कि एक टाइम भी फिक्स करो कि मुझे इतने टाइम तक ही चाहिए. You could choose to do 6 months on year, you even to 5 year vision boards. Personality, like I like to do all 3. मैं अंडरलाइन करती हूँ जो भी मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि मैं दोबारा हाईलाइट भी कर सकूँ. I sometimes find a people to struggle to know or visualize that, what they want to life and took life year ahead, yet they may feel much more able to visualize their life is 5 year time, or vice versa. So if you are feeling little stuck, remember you can always choose a different timeline. Get in the zone. Before you started adding things to your board, make sure you are already embodying in feelings your future self. Pause and the moment, take you few deeps and breathe and imagine yourself exactly 6 months or 1 year or 5 years from now. Create a clear and vivid image your mind as you ask yourself in following question. How do I feel within myself? What kind of the relationship surrounding me? What kind of the home do I live in? What is my profession? What I am most proud of? What do I want to change in my life? What do I want to keep the same? As you answer this question, allow yourself to completely free your life and free dreams, desire and wants. Do allow fear and hold back your imagination. Instead, take your mind's eyes to the exact place that you want to be. Allow the image for your future self and really comes to life as you sink into the visualization. Separate your life into the categories. Split your vision board into your 6 categories. Personal development, your personal growth, how you want to free within yourself. Love and romance, career, friend and family, house, home, hobbies and leisure. Design your life. For each category, write down the things that you want to be manifest within. If you want to using cutout image, such as the image for your dreams, house and seek, and on your vision board, you would try to minimum. You could try to would have a minimum to 3 things for each category, but there is no limit on how many things you can add to your vision board. Put it away. After creating your vision board, put it away somewhere safe and set a reminder to come back on the date wrote at top. That's what. putting away. This step to optional. This step to optional. I personally love to do this because I help to create clarity. Helps me clarity that I want to areas of my life rather than focusing in on just on parts. As the thing, your vision board begin to manifest into your life, and you begin to embody and person you have to want to be your desire, and your goals may you change to expand. As you grow, your dreams will be grow too. Go with the flow for the all of totally flexible with your visualization. If you want to go back, add something to your vision board or take something away, feel free to you to go that and go do that. Remember, you are the designer. You are the designer, curator. You are the designer, curator, and the architect in your life. Have the power of the rearrange, alter, and dictate how you want it to look. Knowing what you want in the first step any manifesting process. But before I take you on to the next step, there is something I want to do. Remember, the truly understand who want to become and begin to the journey toward meeting to most empower slave. We must first let go and the personal ones where you personally thought we should be. Our past is equally as responsible for getting us to where we are today as it is for holding us back from whether we want to go. Many of us hold to the subconscious assumptions that we are the unchangeable. How many times have you heard or said to the phrases part never change its stop. This proved literally tell us that it is impossible for something to change. Or how many times have you said something along the lines, I just have been to way, and that's just who I am. While they might just seem like harmless expressions, they support as underlying belief, and only one reason for can exist. This create a lack of truly ability to transform, evolve, and grow, which serve only hold us back from doing so. But change is not the only possible; it is inevitable. The person you were yesterday is not a person you are today, or the person you will be tomorrow. So as you go forward in your manifesting journey, thought out this book and keyword beyond. I encourage you all of the honor your daily transformation, which with each day honor who are and person that you want to become without being constant by your past. It's okay to be feel differently. It's okay to be want something different. It's okay to be become something new. Lean into it and allow that magic manifesting is the propel into your becoming your highest self. With each the sunrise, we rise into the some new. As you then embark in your manifesting journey, take time to really consider that you. तो गाइस, मैं सारा काम करके फिनिश करके मैं बैठी हुई मैं जा रही हूँ वीडियो एडिट करने। तो आज का ब्लॉग हम यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं। मुझे नहीं लगा मैंने आज कुछ स्पेशल दिखाया है, बट मैंने ट्राई किया कि कुछ स्पेशल दिखाने को। मैं